Is this what it has come to? What has it come to protecting ourselves, especially family?
What happened this morning?
We were driving on the 8 going west to go to La Jolla. We got off on the 67 and some guy was on my butt. Slowed down around the curb, of course, and I guess it kind of upset him. So when we got off onto the 67, he was able to pass me but almost rammed us off the road. Got in front of us, sped up, so we sped up to do the speed limit. He about ran the car next to him off the side of the road. Slowed down in the middle lane, real slow, came to a complete stop. Got out, was banging on the window, the driver's side telling us to get out and let's do this. I went ahead and got my gun out of the middle console. We thought he was walking away, but he turned around and ended up slashing my front tire.
He slashed one of your tires?
Yes.
And this is in the middle of the 67?
The middle of the lane. The middle lane on the 67, yeah.
And you and the kids are okay?
Yes, I'm good, the kids are good.
And it was a white male in a truck?
It was a white Chevy Silverado. White male, probably 5'8", 5'9", late 20s, early 30s, brown hair, facial hair, yeah.
Ma'am, I'm glad you're okay.
Well, thank you.
Thank you so much.